Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make walnut salad. So these are my ingredients. This is all I'm gonna be using. This is my grape, and this is my parsley leaf, my celery, and my walnuts, and my double cream, my mayonnaise, my honey, my lemon, my salt, pepper, and my apple. So these are all I'm gonna be needing. So the first thing I'm gonna show you, the first thing which I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna fry my walnuts. You always check your walnuts so that it will not be burnt. So I'm just gonna let it hot so we get back to it. So the first thing is to cut my grapes. So I finish with my grape. So the next thing will be my celery. So I don't need this part, so I have to throw that. So you make sure, if you want to prepare your celery, you have to peel out the green bag, because sometimes you buy the tough one. So this one is tough, that is why I'm peeling it out. So I'm using just 2 apples, okay? So I'm gonna transfer it into my salad bowl. So I'm putting my celery, and my grapes. Put it inside. My black pepper, my salt. With a little of lemon. Mix it. The lemon will stop the apple from making it brown. So now I'll keep this aside. I'm gonna prepare my cream for this. So I'm gonna add my mayonnaise, and my double cream. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey, and my parsley leaf. So I'm gonna mix it together. So now I finished mixing my cream. So I'm gonna transfer it into my salad now. So my salad is ready. I'm gonna serve it now. So guys, my salad is ready, as you can see. So this is the perfect way to make salad, and at the end you can put some grape, just throw in some walnuts, and you are good to go. So that is the perfect way to make salad, fruit and walnut salad. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that you'll get more video from me. There's a lot of video on this channel, so make sure you to subscribe. Make sure to share this video with friends and loved ones, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified to see all my food recipe on this channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video, and give it a thumbs up and leave your comment below. Thank you and bye.